Okay, millions. At first, how many period you can see here? How many period here you can see? There are 3 period. Here is ones period, and here is thousand period, and here is million period. So in each period there are 3 digits. Here is ones, tens, hundred, and then ones, tens, hundred, and then ones, tens, hundred. So here is ones, tens, hundred in the ones period, and ones, tens, hundred in the thousand period, and ones, tens, hundred in the million period. And this is our standard form. So you can see here 3 period. Here is ones period, and here is thousand period, and here is hundred. And here is million period. Okay, how can you read it? Look, it is 26 million. And look here, here is the million, and you can see the commas here. 709,000. Yeah, 380. So let's move to the first question here. Write each digit on the number in its correct place in the chart. Here is 9. Okay, here is the ones period, here is thousand period, and here is million period. So here is 9 in the million, so 9 in the ones of million, 9 million. And what about thousand? 239. And what? 124. 124. Look at the second number. So here is 47,962,471. So here is 47 in the million period, so it's 7 in the ones of million, and here is 4 in the tens million. And look here, 9 in the 100,000, 6 in the 10,000, 2 in the thousand, and then 471, 4 in the 100, and 7 in the tens, and 1. So number 3, 625,452,548. Look here, 6 in the 100,000, in the 100 million, 2, it means 2 tens million, and here is 5 in the million, and then 400,000, 5 10,000, 50 10,000, 5 10,000 means 50,000, and here is 2 in the 1,000 means 2,000. Look at the ones period here. Here is 5 in the 100, and 4 in the tens, and 8 in the ones. Okay, so let's move to let's move to the second. Okay, look at number 2. Write the period of the underlined digit. Which period here? Here is the ones, and here is what? Here is the, yes, here is the what? Here is the thousand period. So here is thousand what? Here is thousand period. Okay, so here is thousand. Thousand period. Look at here, question number 5. Question number 5. Wait, sorry. Okay, here is question number 5. Here is question number 5. 836,592. So what is the period of 592? It will be ones period. Okay, so here is ones period. Yes. Look at number 6. Here is 806,219,479. So here is 806 will be in the million period. Million period. Yeah. Here is a million period. Million period. The next question number 4. Question number 7. Here is 259,724,416. So look here, 724 will be what? In where? In the thousandth period. In the thousandth period. In the thousandth period. Okay, so we'll write thousand here. Thousandth period. So let's move to write question number 8. Write the value of the underlined digits. The value. Yes, here is 6 in the, here is 9 ones, 1 tens, 200, 9 ones, 7, 10,000 means 400,000, and 6 will be 1 in the million. So the value 6 in the million equals what? Equals 6 million. Equals 6 million. So here is 6 million. Look at the next question number 9. Question number 9. Here is 35,074,250. Look here, the underlined digit is 4. So the ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So the value of 4 equals what? The value of 4 equals 4,000. 4,000. The value of 4 will be 4,000. Look here. Here is number 10. 363,592. 592. So what about the value here of 6? Here is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 10,000. So 6 in the 10,000 equals what? Equals 60,000. 60,000. Okay, here is 60,000. Look at number 11. Number 11. Here is 915,291,801. Here is the first, it's ones period, and here is thousand period. So what about the million period? Here is 5 in the million period, and here is 1. Yeah, so 5 is million, and here is 1 is 10 million, and here is 9 means 9 in the 100 million equal 900 million. 900 million. 900 million. So look here, question number 12. Here is, yes, here is write in standard form. Write in standard form. Question number 12. 76 million. Look here, here is the commas here. Here is 76 million 55,000 and 280. Look here, in each, as we said before, each period formed from 3 digit. So let's move to, what about the million period? 76. 76. So here is 76 in the million period, and then 55. 55. Here is 55. 5 ones and 5 tens, but there isn't any 100 million, so replace it by 0. And then 208. 208. 2 in the 100 and 8 in the ones. 2 in the 100 and, yes, and 8 and 2 and 8 in the ones. Okay, so let's move to the second. Here is 508 where? In the million. 207 where? In the thousand. And here is 9 will be in the ones. So look here. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100 million. Okay? So let's move. 508. 508. 508 where? In the million. 508 in the million. What else? 207,000. 207. 207,000 and 9. 9 means 9 or 9 to 900 means 9 in the ones. And replace the others by 0. And replace the others by 0. Look at number 14. 4 million. What is the next? 300,000. 425. Look. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100 million. Okay. So here is 4 in the million. 4 means 4 in the ones of million. So 4 million. 300. 300 in the thousand. 300 in the thousand. 300 in the thousand. And what else? 425. 425. 425. Look at the next question number 15. Question number 15. 15 million. So I tell you before, we need to write 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100,000, 1 tens 100 million. So we move in. Here is 15 in the million. 15 in the million. Here is the million here. So write 15. 1 and then 5. 15 million. 15 million. 6,000. 6 in the thousand. What is the thousand? 1 tens 100,000. So 6 in the thousand. And no thousands. Okay? There isn't any 10,000 or 100,000. Okay? So let's move to then the next 102. 102. 100 what? 102. Let's move to the last question. Here is 1 tens 100, 1 tens 100, and then 1 tens 100. Okay, so let's move. Here is 31 in the million. 31. So here is 30, 3 tenths, and 1 in the million. So 31 million, 31 million, 702. 702 only means, as here, 702, yes, 702, what? 702 only. So I need to replace, yes, by zeros. So here is 31 in the million, and the 702 only means 702 in the ones, period. Thank you.